Are you happy, my dear children? Want to hear a story? Today I am telling you the story of the lion and the mouse. A lion was sleeping under a tree in a forest. A mouse started playing on the lion. The lion woke up. The lion was angry. He caught the mouse. The mouse said, "Please leave me. Please leave me. I will help you when you need. I will help you when you need. Please, please, please." After some days, the lion was caught in a net. He cried for help. The mouse came and cut the net. Then the lion was free. The lion thanked the mouse. Okay, see you again with a new story. Bye bye. Thank you.